Does your deadlift look like this? And does your back hurt while performing deadlifts? Well, folks, if you answered yes to both of those questions, then this is your lucky day, and this is just the video for you. For today, I'll be going through the proper ways to warm up for the deadlift and how to properly perform a deadlift. So stay tuned and let's go. Warm-ups are very important for any compound movement, and they're even more important for the deadlifts to prevent injuries, especially in the back. You got two hands, you got two legs, you got two eyes, but you only got one back. So it goes without saying that it should be a matter of utmost priority to protect your back. There are 4 main areas or muscle groups that need to be specifically targeted during deadlift warm-ups. They are the lats, the glutes, the lower back, and the hamstrings. Now, there are many ways to warm up the lats. You can do pull-ups, pull-downs, pullovers, whichever one you prefer. But I prefer to use bands because I find them much more easier to set up and they get the job done really well. Simply just grab a band of appropriate resistance, find something sturdy and wrap them around, and perform straight arm pull downs for 15 to 20 reps for sets of 2 to 3. That should be more than enough to get your lats sufficiently warmed up for the all-important task of keeping the bar as close as possible to your body throughout the lift. For the glutes, you can warm them up with single leg squats, cable kickbacks, or simple bodyweight squats. I like to keep it simple by using the bands from before and performing a pull-through. 10 to 15 reps with a tight squeeze at the top for 2 to 3 sets is enough to get the glutes on fire for each job of providing the most force during the lift. For the lower back, a bed dog done for a 2-second hold on each side for 10 reps each for 1 to 2 sets gets the lower back nice and loose to keep it tight and engaged throughout the lift. And last but not the least, a Jefferson curl done with just the bar for about 10 to 20 reps for 2 sets is plenty warm up for the hamstrings, and now we're ready to get into the deadlift proper. Before getting into your heavy sets, always warm up with progressively heavier weights, starting with the empty bar. This is to get your body and central nervous system used to the movement pattern and also prime them for the more challenging sets that is to come. Never, and I repeat, never jump into your heavy walking sets without properly warming up with lighter weights first. It will prevent needless injuries and your back will thank you. Trust me. Now to perform the deadlift. Step up to the bar until it is lying halfway across your feet. Straighten your arms to full length and reach down and grab the bar at shoulder width. Take a deep breath in and brace your core while engaging and squeezing your lats to bring the bar as close to your shins as possible. Drop down your hips towards the bar and push off the floor with your feet. Pull the bar up to above your knees using mainly your hips and quads. When the bar is above your knee, stand up straight using your glutes and back to a small extent to complete the lift. Lower the weight gently down, still keeping the bar as close to your body as possible. A lot of people make the mistake of just slamming the weights or dropping the weights. I know this feels good to do because of the excitement of lifting the weight, but by slamming the weights, you're missing out on the huge eccentric portion of the movement, which is very hypertrophic. So always gently lower the weight to get the most out of this lift. The deadlift, like everything in life, you get better with practice. The more you practice, the more efficient you will be at deadlifting. So always keep practicing and keep improving your form and your technique. That's all for today. Hope this video helped. Like, share, and subscribe for more. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.